Angela's Ashes.
Miles Davis was a well-known musician in Ireland, and he would play music in pubs and around town. The money was good until the town of Limerick became poor. No one would pay him for his music anymore, so he left to America to pursue his music. Patches O'Houlihan was devastated the time the famine rolled around. He really liked potatoes. Seamus O'Hara was a well-respected potato gatherer in the mainland. After the potato famine struck, he was forced to travel to America and learn the new skill of beet farming and a bartender job on the side. He hated beets. Frank McCord was a drunk, and nobody liked him, but they just let him come along for the trip.
It was a long journey to the city of New York. The compass points to where they were supposed to get. It's been a long, long trip, 67 days.
Water. Everywhere. Just water. But finally, they rolled into the dock in the new place they would call home. America. That's right, America! After a long, hard journey, they walked down the dock in triumph, wondering what would behold them next. I don't know what to say. This is a very long walking scene. They tried to get rides to go to different locations and look for different jobs, but everyone just passed them by without giving them a second thought. They sat pondering, thinking about what they had to do. They slept in any space they could find, no matter how big or small. In that. One of them was lucky enough to get a job as a bartender, and the rest of them just mooched off of him for free drinks. Patches, well, he seemed to fall back into his gambling addictions, just like that when he ran out of money. And Frank McCord's an idiot.
I'll simply sleep in peace until you come.
They tried different professions, but none of them seemed to work. Patches tried being a model, but they didn't like his game. Miles Davis tried to get a job as a tractor trailer farmer, but working on the midget farm wasn't working out. Seamus got a job as a beet farmer. He hated beets.